Hello friends, my name is Rodia. Today we are going to learn how to create search bar in HTML and CSS. So first we are going to open VS Code and create a new file named index.html. So now I'm going to write DOC, then I will rename it search bar. Then I will add a H1 that says search bar. In HTML and CSS. So now we are going to write form, but we will leave this action here. We are going to set it to queue. Now we're going to add a input, and it's going to be type text. I'm going to add a placeholder, search, so now we're going to add a button. It's going to say submit. So now we will save it and then copy. We will copy the path. Then we are going to paste it in our browser. So now we will see the search bar, but when we press submit, nothing will happen. So now we are going to make a new file named index.css. So we will go to our index.html and write link CSS. Then we'll change it to index. Then we will save it and then we'll go to our CSS. Now we will write form. So we are going to write background color aquamarine. Now we will save it and then reload the browser. Now we'll see this long thing, but we don't want it to be this long. So we will write width 1000 px. And we're also going to add padding. It's going to be 5px. Now we'll save it and then reload the browser. Now we'll see that it's shorter. But if you can customize the shortness by anything you want, right? If you want to set it to 600. So now we are going to write border radius like 20px. Now we are going to write form button. So now we will write border radius 20 px. So now we will save it. We will reload the browser. Now we'll see that this border radius and this one's border radius have increased. So we're also going to add input. Now when we save it and reload the browser, so now we're going to copy this and then paste it, except that we're going to change this to input. We'll save it and then reload the browser. Now we'll see that both of them are rounded. So now we're going to write body, and then we will write background image. Linear gradient, and you can set the colors to anything like you want. Like I will set it to chocolate, brown. I'm also going to change this color edit to a darker one. Now I will save it and then reload the browser. Now we'll see that we have this gradiented background. So if you want, you can do the same thing with the background color, but we'll change it to background image. Then we'll write linear gradient, like pink, aquamarine. Now we'll save it and then reload the browser. Oh, see that this one is also a linear gradient, but now we see that when we press submit, there it still says Q. So I'm going to open Google. Then I will copy the link. Then I will paste it in this place. But then when we reload our browser, see that if we search for something, it will not show anything because we will have to search for something in our Google. So you see that when we search, it's going to say google.com/search. So we will have to go here and then we'll write /search. Now we will save it and then we will reload the browser. Now if we search for something, then we submit it, it's just going to say web HP. So if we don't want that, we're going to change it to button type. Submit. Then we'll save it and then we'll go to our search. And then We don't need to copy all of this rubbish, but we just have to write question mark Q. We'll save it and then reload the browser. Now we will search for something. So see that this say web HP. If we want to fix that, then so if we wanted to work, then instead of IDQ, we will write name equals to Q. And also remember to remove the question mark Q from your search. So now we will reload it and then write something. Now when we press submit, it's going to search. So that is the end of today's video. Make sure to like and subscribe and hit the bell. Bye.